What's up, guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in with a real quick video on the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin right now is around 68.26. I think that's what it is. Let's see, 68.25. But before I get started, I really would appreciate it if you guys tap that subscription tab and tap that notification bell. That way you'll be the first ones to see my videos when they drop. Now back to the price. I've been looking at Bitcoin right now, and look like it's losing a little steam. And basically, I've been studying patterns and doing leverage trading on BYBIT. I've been on BYBIT for a long time. I wouldn't recommend you guys just jump right in trading on BYBIT. If you're not familiar with the platform, it is a leverage trading platform. If you do so choose, the link will be in the description. But I do recommend you start off with the BYBIT testnet. That way you can do practice trades for free and you won't lose any money. Because most people who do leverage trading, they do lose money. And I would like to say, starting off, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I'm not recommending that you guys do this at all. But I've been on trading on BYBIT, like I said, and for about a year now, and the testnet helped me out a lot, and I think I'm ready to jump back in and, just get my feet wet just a little bit, just touch my toe in the water, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit. But based on my research, let's go back to the day chart. You can see these little indicators right here. That's not really important right now. This is basically what I want to show you guys right now. Based on my research, I think I found a bearish rising wedge. And if you're not familiar with bearish rising wedge, you guys can Google it. But basically, it's a bearish indicator. And you can see this is the top, the high point of the wedge, and this is the support, which is the low point. And you can see it broke through the support of the wedge. And that is an indicator that the price of Bitcoin is about to drop. Now, based on my research, Bitcoin should drop down to around $5,000. I do have 3 different price points. The first one is around 5,000. The second one, if it keeps breaking down, is around 4,800. And then the third one, if it's a complete breakdown, Bitcoin possibly could go down around 3,400. So like I said, I opened up a small position. I bought the crypto on Shapeshift platform. I used the fiat to crypto gateway, and then I sent it to my BYBIT account. And as you can see, I did a 5x leverage. I only sent over like $148. So I did a 5x leverage, and I shorted Bitcoin at 68.17. As you can see, it's up a little bit, so the price has went against me. But this is a long-term trade. I will have this trade open for at least a week or so to see if it actually breaks down. As you can see, when I scroll down, you can see that it was around $148, 5x. Here's the price point I entered. This is my liquidation price, which is 8,468. If Bitcoin hit this price, then I will lose all my money. I don't have a stop loss as of yet. I might put one in, but my take profit price is 52.44. And like I said, based on my research and the price points based on this rising bearish wedge, dang, that's a mouthful. It's kind of hard for me to say that. Bearish rising wedge. I got it. But yeah, based on that, Bitcoin should fall around 5,000. We shall see if I'm right or wrong. Only time will tell. But yeah, the link will be in the description for BYBIT. Like I said, I do recommend you guys try out the testnet first. If I am profitable or not, we shall see soon, and I will make a follow-up video basically describing how did I come up with this pattern and where did I get my price points from as far as how far it should drop. But I do appreciate you guys. Please give me a thumbs up or a like button and smash that like button if you like this video. And I will see you next time. Peace. I'm out.